Good evening, all learners. We'll just wait for some of the participants to join for another 2 or 3 minutes. We'll wait. Since it's the, yes.
Hello, is anyone speaking?
Yeah, please wait for some time.
Yeah,
Just
sure.
1 minute, because I'm going to start at 7:10 only. The reason is they have started very late. More than 5 minutes we have been waiting to join. In a similar way, many of them, they would have tried to join. So that's the reason. Yeah, thank you, Vishnu. Shall we start now? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now, first one, I will upload.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So I request all of you to open this PDF first. Okay. I request everyone open this file.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let us see the pattern first. After that, we'll go for the last minute revision. So first, I request all of you to see the pattern. I hope you would have received similar question paper previously from the university. Did you receive?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the model question paper. So after seeing this, we'll move on to the last minute revision. So I request all of you to see the question paper. This one is online July 23. So you'll be getting this for the next month. You have your examination for December. So the total marks is 70. So 30 marks is internal and total time duration is 150 minutes. 150 minutes. Total time duration is 150 minutes. And the instructions they have given on top. So part A, you need to answer all 25 MCQs and each carries 25 marks. Each carries 25 marks. So 25 into 1 MCQs. MCQs I have given MCQs in almost all the notes. All the 10 PDF which I have sent you earlier, it carries all MCQs. But for the last minute revision, have selected some of the MCQs, especially for you to revise at the final time. So 25 MCQs that carries 25 into 1 mark, that is equal to 25 marks. Now part B. In this part B, you need to answer all 5 descriptive questions that carries 5 marks each, that is equal to 25 marks. So you'll be having either or question. So you have to select 1 out of 2 and you have to write that, and the marks, maximum marks is 5 marks. So 5 into 5, 25 marks. So totally you will be having 10 questions. In that 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B, and 5A, 5B. So you need to select one among the 2 in each type. Everything will be very easy for you to attend. And part C, answer the descriptive question. So 1 into 20 marks. So it will be having part C, A and B questions will be there. There is no choice for this. You need to write both. So each carries 10 marks. So why we are not giving 20 marks? The problem is some of them, if we don't know how to answer that, you will lose the whole mark. So that's the reason why we split that part C into A and B. You need to answer both. So please be clear. Part A, you need to answer all 25 MCQs. There is no choice. You need to attend all 25 MCQs. Each carries 1 mark. And part B, answer all 5 descriptive questions. So it is either or pattern, either A or B. You need to attend only 1 out of 10 questions. You need to answer 5 questions in each. And please be clear, you cannot answer as you like. I have seen some of them answering 2 questions in one, for example, B, 1, A and B. They will answer both and they will think that out of 10 questions, I can answer any 5 questions. It's not like that. It is either or pattern. You have to answer any 1 out of that. And part C, it's compulsory. You'll be having 2 questions. Out of that, you need to answer for both. Each carries 10 marks, but together we will say 1 into 20 marks. So we keep that as 1 into 20, that is equal to 20 marks. So total 70 marks. And they have the basic instruction. You can freely navigate between different questions forward and backward using next and previous button. So this one is online. So you can always navigate between the next and previous button for you to answer. And finish button will be enabled only towards the end of the exam. So you have to wait till the end of the exam for you to get that finish button. So you'll be having the finish button only at the end of your exam. So you need to click that finish button in order to complete your exam. So again, I repeat, if you want to navigate between different questions, you'll be having forward and backward using the next and previous buttons. And for finish button will be enabled. So it will be always there, but it will be enabled only towards the end of the examination. And instruction for the descriptive questions requiring scan and upload. So make sure to upload your scans immediately after your answer every questions. Do not wait till the end to avoid panic at the end. So then and there you can scan that, and you can also expect, I don't know whether I've requested for the information technology, management information systems to for you to type and upload. So I'll just check with the, you just check, maybe at the last minute they may change. So that's the reason why I'm showing this. Make sure you have to upload scan immediately after your answer for every questions. If they're asking you to type and upload, then you can do that. But you have to see in the instructions. If the instructions given very clearly so that you need to type or you need to scan, that will be given in the instruction page. So you have to read the instructions properly before writing your test exam. Now, the exam time is inclusive of time for scanning and uploading answers. We have to be very careful here. The second one, you need to scan and upload. So the time is inclusive. You will not be given any extra time for that. And if using laptop plus mobile for exam, click on open test on laptop and click on scan and upload on mobile. So you can open both, can using laptop plus mobile. For example, you can open the test on laptop and click on scan and upload on the mobile. And if using laptop plus mobile for exam, when scanning and uploading from mobile, ensure that the correct question is open on the laptop. So you have to be very careful. Only the correct question is open on the laptop. So when clicking on the camera button on a smartphone for scanning and uploading, you have two camera applications available to scan the answer. So your phone's native camera and an alternative low memory camera. So it is always better to click on the low memory camera in case your browser shows an error due to low memory. So supposing if it is going to show low memory, you can go for the low memory camera. So these are all the instructions that you need to know. I request all of you to read the question paper properly for the instruction. Don't expect the same instruction to be reflected in on the question paper. There may be some minor changes during the last minute also that we cannot expect anything. So I request all of you to read the questions properly, ensure what you have to do at the final stage of your examinations. So continuing from here, part A questions, marks per questions, it's mentioned as 125 out of 25 questions in this sections will be shown to the examinee. See, the word will be shown to the examinee. So they are going to show this. So it will be shown to the examinee. Examinee should answer all 25 questions in this section. So this one is online basically. So you need to click and the 25 questions will be evaluated separately. So difficulty level always very easy. You can see which of the following statement best describes the impact of global e-business and collaboration on business operations. You have 4 options. You have to click the correct options here. So like that, you'll be having Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 like this. You will be having questions till Q25. So we can see this. You'll have till Q25. And you will see the last minute revision, the question paper, which, not the question paper, the last minute revision, which you will see, the answers will not be this much big. It will not take much time for you to read everything. So I have minimized everything in that I will show you separately. Now difficulty level. So Q19, Q20, Q21, Q22, Q23, Q24. Then, so something like this. So Q25. So up to this, you need to answer all the questions? Yes. And moving forward, you have the section part B. So in the section part B, marks per question will be 5 out of 5 questions in this section will be shown to the examinee, and examinee should answer all 5 questions in this section. So for example, let us take Q1. Now you can see the difficult level, very easy. Now they have asked the question 1A, 1B. Now you can see the word R, OR means either or pattern. Some of them you would have studied your UG long back. You would have forgotten all about the examination pattern and other things, maybe for 10 years or 15 years also. I don't know about your age. So I request all of you to see this either or pattern in the sense question 1A, 1B. So you need to answer either 1A or 1B. You need to select only one between this. Either you have to write comment your view on digitalization, explain the impact of introducing the same in any business organization, examine how the same could improve the profitability of an organization, or tabulate the types of information system based on hierarchy in detail. So you have to select either 1A or 1B. Like that, they will ask for Q2 either or, Q3 either or, Q4 either or, and Q5 either or questions. Then you will move on to the next part, part C. So in part C, it is very clear, marks per question is 20. One question in the section will be shown to the examinee. Examinee should answer all one question in this section. Now here, Q1, they have given one question here. They have not given, after giving this one question here, case study, they have given a case study here. They have given an entire case study here. So you can see the case study. But in my thing, I'm not going to ask you case study and all, direct questions only. So they will ask 2 questions, answer both the questions. Number 1, number 2. So each carries 10 marks here. Please understand, each carries 10 marks here. So you need to write both the answers for this. You have to answer 1 as well as 2. 10 marks each. So total 70 marks. So now you can unmute yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask regarding the question paper pattern before going to the last minute revision questions.
Sir, in part C.
Yeah, please proceed.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
In part C, there is 2 questions. Answer both the questions. So we need to answer only one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Then.
Only one. Part B, total 5 of 5 questions. Total you have 10 questions. In Q1, you will be having 2. Q2, you will be having 2. Like that, Q5, 5 into 2, 10 questions are there. So
yes, sir.
they have
I'm asking
mentioned
about
R.
section C, sir.
No. You see this. They have mentioned R. You have to view my screen. I have highlighted. You can see this. R.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes. You have to read that properly. Any other questions?
Sir, for part B and part C, is it like how long the answers should be? Is it like a page or 2?
That I will show in the last minute revision one. No?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Answers I will show you. See, I'm not only giving the questions in the last minute revision. I'm going to give the entire answer for you.
Okay. Thank you.
See, I've taken prodigious effort to ensure that nobody fails the examination. I want all of you to pass and get good marks. Yes. Now, shall we close this? Shall we move on to the last minute revision? Any doubt regarding the question paper?
No question, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So I will give you 30 seconds. Any one of you have any questions, you may ask now. Don't type into the chat box. I'll not be seeing everything too often. You can unmute yourself and you can ask the question directly.
So shall we need to register the device before, or we can use any device?
No need of registration and all. Automatically, if you click, it will go. Yes. Better you use your laptop. Shall I
Sir,
close
is that
this?
any,
Yes, sir. Yes, Tamil Chelvan.
sir, if there is any app to download?
App and all, nothing, no apps. You'll be getting the link. You'll be getting the intimation
okay, sir.
via mail. You'll be getting intimation via email.
Hello, hello, sir.
Yes, Nivedita. Niveda,
After scanning, where I need to upload, sir?
everything, all the instructions will be given. Where to upload, all the instructions will be sent to you.
Okay.
In that email itself, you will get everything. The email will be sent to you directly. So you all the thing you will be receiving from the university. A separate email will be sent to you regarding all these details.
Okay.
Do you have any separate WhatsApp group for this?
Yes, sir, we do have.
Yeah, then they are going to know any doubt you can post in that and anybody will reply in that. Okay. Shall I close this and shall we move on to the LMR?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, can I ask something?
yeah, please.
Sir, this is not related to this session, but then yesterday I could not attend the virtual lab session due to some circumstances. So,
Okay.
do we have a recording of that in LMS?
You please check with them because I'm not aware of it. See, we are part-time process for this. So we don't have access directly to the university as of now. So I will just check with the concerned person. So you just try to ask some of your friends who has attended this class. You can to have one-to-one meeting with them and you get things cleared with them.
Okay, sir.
You do that. So some of them will be there for you to help. So they will be sending all these things. You can have a discussion with them. Maybe it will take some 20 minutes or 30 minutes for you to learn this, how to do the exercises. Very simple one. Please don't worry.
Okay, sir.
So number of pages, Vishnu Vish, that I will tell you, number of pages and other things that you will see. Now I'm going to share the, yeah, one second. I request all of you to download this. Hope you have received the LMR.
Okay. Hey, one mark. Hello.
No, sir.
35 questions. Hello.
Sonam, please check. I have sent.
Hello. Hello.
Just
No, sir.
No, sir, we have not yet received.
Sir,
see
I
here,
have
I
not
have sent.
received it.
I have sent
Sir, you mean
On
the
the
question
chat
bank?
box, right?
LMR.
No, sir. We have not received it.
So we have not received it, sir.
This is the second time I'm sending.
It's a big
It is,
file.
it is
you have
going
sent
to
everyone.
it is going to Vishnu. Sorry, everyone in the meeting. Sorry, it is going directly to him. Wait, this is the problem. Yeah, now I think you would have received.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, we can see the file now.
Okay, right. I request all of you to open that. Okay, you please open the file. Last minute revision.
Yes, sir.
Please open it. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this last minute revision, you are having so totally 25 MCQs. And so for the 25 MCQs, I have given 35 MCQs. You can see here, questions and answer discussed in part A is 35. Question and answer discussed in part B is 15. Question and answer discussed in part C is 4. So now I want all of you to listen. I will speak only once now. I request all of you to listen. Please don't ask this question again and again, repeatedly, and pull my tongue. Question and answer discussed in part A, total 35, part B 15, and part C is 4. So out of 35, you will get 25. Out of 15, you will get 10. Out of 4, you will get 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's it. So please don't pull my tongue again and again asking for whether I'll get this or that. So very clearly in LMR I have given part A, total 25 questions you have to answer. So I have given 35. So out of which you may get 25. And part B, out of 15, you may get 10. And part C, out of 4, you may get 2. So now, just I request all of you to see this part A questions. Yes. Just check whether the question and answers are right. In each questions, you have to check. You have to ensure I have made one mistake in one question. Let me see anybody is finding that mistake. In one part A question, there is a mistake. Out of this 35, you will have one question as a mistake one. Question is right, but the answer is wrong. Now, I request one of you to read, each learner to read at least 5 questions with answer quickly. Quickly, part B, I'm going to say some of the details to you. Quickly, please go ahead with the 35 questions very fast. Please unmute yourself, read this very fast.
Okay, I'll go first, sir.
Yeah.
Which academic discipline in the information systems focuses primarily on algorithms and software design? Answer is C, computer science.
Okay.
Second, sorry, C, answer C, computer science. Next question, which technical approach in information systems relates to the protection against digital threats? Answer D, security.
Good.
Third one, in discussing the dimensions of information systems, which one focuses on the external factors and prevailing trends? Answer D, environmental. Next one, within the dimensions of information systems, which aspect is primarily concerned with the users, administrators, and developers? Answer is B, people. Next one, in technical approaches to information systems, which aspect deals with ensuring different software solutions communicate harmoniously? Answer is integration, and answer C.
Okay.
Can I continue?
Yeah, someone.
Yes, sir. Which
Yeah.
Number 6, which of the following is the most suited for the real-time communication? Answer is D, instant messaging, IM.
Okay.
So 7th question is, which tool is purpose-built to support remote teams with audio and video capabilities, simulating a physical meeting environment? Answer is B, virtual meeting systems.
Yeah.
So for 8th, which platform is renewed for it is comprehensive collaborations, tools, and a deep integration with the other Microsoft offerings? Answer is D, Microsoft SharePoint.
Okay.
Go for ninth questions, which should provides a comprehensive approach to the team tasks by merging email, real-time documents editing, and video conferencing? Answer is C, Google Apps.
Good.
So go for 10th, which platform mirrors the style of the Facebook to provide the status updates, facilitating collaboration among team members, especially in sales? Answer is D, Salesforce Chatter.
Okay. Okay, Machalavan, good. You have tried well. So next learner.
Now I will
Next
go,
one.
sir.
Yeah.
In the business value chain model, which is considered a primary activity? Answer is B, inbound logistics.
Logistics. Okay.
Which force in Porter's competitive forces, model forces on the ability of customers to drive down prices? Answer is A, bargaining power of buyers.
Okay.
In the business value chain model, which activity is responsible for promoting and selling the firm's products? Answer is C, sales and marketing.
Okay.
Which scandal involved a political consulting firm acquiring Facebook user data without direct consent? Answer is C, Cambridge Analytica.
Good. Next one.
Which of these is not an ethical, social, or political challenge faced by information systems? Answer is B, software efficiency.
Okay.
Which platform raised data security concerns due to its ties to China? B, TikTok.
Good.
Answer is B, TikTok. The regulation introduced by the EU to address data protection and privacy for its citizens is GDPR.
Correct.
Sir, may I know the GDPR full form?
I have taken 4 or 5 times. Anyone ready to answer this? GDPR, we have studied minimum 4 to 5 times during our course. I think you have not attended the class, ma'am. You have not attended the class.
General data
General
protection.
data protection.
For what purpose we are using this? After the Cambridge Analytica scandal, so the European Union, they started this GDPR especially to protect the privacy of the citizens. Yes.
General data protection regulations, sir.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, next. Please move forward.
Which interface allows different devices and computers to communicate within a network? Answer is D, router. No
Router.
SQL database, no SQL databases are primarily used for large volumes of structured and unstructured data. Answer is C.
Correct. Okay.
What characterizes big data with the term volume? Answer is A, amount of data.
Okay. Next learner. Next student. Next MBA learner. Tilagan.
Yes, sir. Which network type is specifically designed for a single building or campus? Answer C, LAN.
Okay.
RFID stands for option A, remote frequency ID.
No, radio frequency ID.
Radio
Who said that? Who said that?
Radio.
Vetrivelan. Vetrivelan?
Yeah, yes, yes.
You are correct. So this is the mistake you have identified. Very good.
Radio
RFID. Yes,
frequency identification.
RFID stands for radio frequency identification. So that's the reason why I just left one question as a mistake, but at least 1 or 2 learners able to identify the mistake. Good. Appreciate Vetrivelan to identify this. Yes, good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you can proceed.
Which organization primarily deals with internet governance? Answer B, W3C.
Very good. W3C.
Which malicious software disguises itself as legitimate but performs harmful actions? Answer C, Trojan horse.
Okay.
Which vulnerability arises from not updating software regularly? Answer D, unpatched software.
Okay.
Which business value is associated with avoiding legal issues and meeting industry guidelines?
This one, I
Answer
think,
D.
no issues. Another learner has to read this. It's okay. D, regulatory compliance. I request one of you to read.
In the blockchain, what ensures secure, tamper-evident transactions between parties without intermediaries? Answer A, smart contracts.
Okay.
Which of the following is an example of time-critical m-commerce applications? Answer B, food delivery apps.
Okay.
Which learning type uses labeled data? Answer A, supervised learning.
Very good. Supervised learning is having the labeled data. Unsupervised, unlabeled. Yes.
Which type of decision making utilizes real-time data and algorithms to make instant decisions? Answer C, high velocity automated decision making.
Okay. Next learner. Next person.
Sir, I will read it.
Yeah. Yeah. Sonam Rathore. Yes.
Yes. Which tool helps organizations in decision making by analyzing data? Answer is B, business intelligence. Which system assists groups in making collective decisions? Answer is B, group decision support system.
Okay.
Which system is primarily used in the architecture and construction industry for designing and managing buildings? Answer is C, building information systems.
Yes.
The process of understanding and specifying in detail what an information system should accomplish is called. Answer is C, system analysis and design.
Okay.
Which methodology focuses on process and procedures rather than data? Answer is C, structured methodology.
Okay. Thank you very much. So now I request all of you to learn this 35 and try to answer by closing the answer, or you can remove the answers and try to take a printout and try to answer the right one. Try to tick that every time and you check that whether you are able to give the right answer for that, so that you'll be prepared very well for your exams. Now, moving forward, part B, 5-mark question. So we start here. So total 15 5-mark questions I have given, out of which 10 you will get. So 15 part B questions. Now, I'm going to give you one thing that you need not write the, see, I've given the answers. It doesn't mean that you need to follow the same form, answers. I'll not be expecting the same answers, but you have to write on your own. It is not that you need to mug up something and you have to write exactly as it is. So this is the tentative answer that I have given. So main important points, I request all of you to note down the important points. It's like a mind map. You need to know what is the keywords, 5 keywords in each 5 marks we'll be expecting. See, we'll be expecting 5 keywords as for answers. In that, you need to elaborate that 5 keywords as tuples. Now, the first one, for example, discuss the role of artificial intelligence in enhancing the operations of an emerging digital firm. You can see the answer: automating routine tasks, data analysis and insights, personalization of customer experience, contributing to agility and competitiveness, and enhancing decision making. So 5 important things you can write in your own way. So AI, automating routine tasks. You can simply even write routine task in AI or something like that. But data analysis and insights is the right word I have used, the right keyword I have used. Maximum you try to use the exact keyword. Otherwise, if you forget, you try to use some alternative keyword for that. That is going to match this. Now, for example, in this, you see AI excels in automating repetitive and routine tasks with the digital firms. So that is what you are expecting from the AI. It enhances operational efficiency and accuracy. Example. So you need to write at least minimum 2 points, and after that, one example under one keyword. So, for example, you can write about the chat box can manage basic customer service. That's the keyword. So don't. So I request all of you to shorten this. I request all of you to shorten this and make it precise for you to answer easily. So, for example, supposing you have how many pages you have in this PDF? How many pages? Total pages?
27.
27. See, leave that 35 questions. After that, how many pages you have?
Twenty, sir.
Hardly 20. So hardly 20, I want you to make it as 5 pages. 5 pages in the sense, you need to have only a few points. You need to note down only the few points. You just Google what is mind map is all about. Mind map, you need to have some keywords and if necessary, some tuples. So it will be easy for you. I request all of you to create a mind map for this. All questions, 15 questions, you create a mind map. You can search in Google what is mind map is all about. So you create a mind map. The main nucleus is artificial intelligence, enhancing the operations of emerging digital firm. In that, like a tree, like the main important keywords has to emanate from that. Maybe that 5 keywords. On the right hand side, you can have 3, and left hand side, you can have 2. In that, you write this automatic routine task. So in each, you try to write only the keyword like repetitive and routine task. Enhances operational efficiency and accuracy. Enhances efficiency, accuracy. Example, AI chat box. That's it. So it will be easy for you to go through that during the course of your examination, so that it will be easy for you to write also. You can expand that keywords as well as the tuples that you have managed to write in one particular page. That is going to be easy for you to revise it also. So this is the idea that I'm giving for all the learners. You need to in Google, you just try to see what is mind map. So in similar fashion, I request all of you to create the mind map for all the 15 questions, so that will be easy for you to revise. So moving on to the second question. See, this is the question: explain how dimensions of organizational structure and workflow within the information system impact its effectiveness. Discuss the role of hierarchies, teams, departments, and how information flow within these structures contribute to the overall efficiency and decision-making process of an organization. So you have again 5 important points here. Role of organizational structure. So you know about the structure of the organization. All of us, we know what is the structure from the hierarchy, from the chairman till the last person, you know about the hierarchy. Now, hierarchy, organizational dimensions of information is crucial to determine the flow of information. Well-structured organization ensures. Now you have to write efficient communication and data flow. Hierarchical structure, information flows from top management level to lower employees. So this is the keyword, top management to lower level employee. So this is the keyword. Next, second keyword is well-structured organization. Third keyword, top management to lower level employees. So this level you need to know. After that, you need to expand this so that it will be easy for you. Next one, impact on workflow. So workflow is within within this information system is influenced how tasks and processes are organized. So how tasks and organized are organized, proper workflow management lead to streamlined operation. So it leads to streamlined operation, reduced bottlenecks. Reduced bottlenecks or impediments or reduced barriers. Bottleneck is nothing but a barrier. Okay. Now, example, automated workflow system can assign task and track progress, enhancing overall efficiency. So it can track progress. So the main keyword is automated workflow. Here the workflow is there. It tracks the progress. Track progress. Then interrelation of hierarchy, teams and departments. The interaction between different levels of department in an organization affect the information dissemination. Teams and departments need to collaborate. So need to collaborate teams. So you have the teams here. So here you need to collaborate effectively. Then share knowledge and resources. Need collaborate, share knowledge. So that should be the tuple for you. Then cross-departmental teams work on a project can use collaborative tools. So if you are working on the collaboration cross-department, you can use the collaborative tools for the real-time information exchange. Then the fourth one, information flow and decision-making. The way information travels within the organization, that you need to write the impact decision-making. It is going to impact the decision-making, this one. Timely and accurate information flow is important. Centralized information system can provide managers with real-time data, aiding in swift decision-making. Then the organizational structure and workflow significantly contribute to the overall. So it is going to contribute to the overall efficiency and effectiveness. So I request all of you, this one as an example, I'm giving for this first 2 questions. So you need to follow like this. I request all of you to go through all the questions like this. So third one is about discuss key elements that contribute to successful collaboration in business context. Highlight how these elements work together to enhance the team performance, creativity, and efficiency. Additionally, address the potential barriers to effective collaboration, suggest ways to overcome these challenges. So you need to have clear objectives, and open communication is very, very essential. You need to have the trust, and you need to have diverse skills and expertise and defined roles. So somebody was asking about the length. So I have given the entire for 5 marks. I have given at least 2 pages. If you're writing 1 page is enough for 5 marks. I have shown you, supposing if you are going to write this, you may have, I have given more points. I have given more points, 2 plus 1. You need to write the important ones here. So write in terms of points so that you get more marks. Instead of writing in paragraph by paragraph, somebody writes it. Nobody has the time to read all the paragraphs. If you're writing in terms of bullets and points like this, it will be easy for the examiner to evaluate and give marks accordingly. So you see here, successful collaboration begins with clear defined goals. Alignment ensures everyone works toward the same end. Project team sets a specified target for sales increase. Open communication, open and honest communication is crucial. Allow team members to freely express ideas, concerns, and feedback. Very simple. Regular team meetings encouraged. Regular team meetings encourage to share their thoughts. So just write the keywords and tuples in a piece of, in a page. Each page you need to have 1 answers. Make it as a mind map for you. It will be very easy for you to understand for the last minute revision that you are going to have before the wedge of the examination. So trust among the team members. Yes, trust among the team members is essential. Trust promotes risk-taking and innovative atmosphere. Team members relying on each other expertise and insight without micromanagement. So you should not micromanage. Team members should rely on each other's expertise. If you are having an expertise, another person is having an expertise, you need to share the insights among the 2 persons so that it will be easy for you to navigate your process of your software and other things. Now, diverse skills and expertise. Collaboration benefits significantly from diverse skills and expertise of all its participants. Each member brings unique strength to the table. So this one is important keyword. Tuple, each member unique strength to the table. A team comprising members from marketing, finance, and technical backgrounds pooling their knowledge for a project. So they can, among themselves, they can pool their knowledge for the project. And defined roles. So clearly define each member's role. This one is very, very essential in an organization. You need to know what is your role, what is your responsibility. Allow members to specialize and focus so that they will contribute their best. Assigning specific roles to their project leader, like a financial analysis, creative director to the team members. So the answers are very simple and the question is also okay. You need to understand and you have to write all this like clear objectives, open communication, trust, and few points in this. So 5 marks questions. Anybody is having any doubt, you may ask. 5 marks questions. Please go through all the 15 questions quickly. Any doubt, you just traverse at least once. You go through that. You ask me if you have any doubt as a part of the question as well as the answer. Now, organizational structures and employee behavior. I have one question that flattening the hierarchies, emerging of post-industrial organization challenges. Only 3 points and ended. Michael Porter's competitive forces model. Who are the traditional competitors, new market entrants, substitute products and services, customers and suppliers? 5 points. Explain the concepts of the business value chain model. Primary activities, support activities. Very simple. Business value chain, you have only 2. Primary activities, support activities. Examine the interconnection between ethical, social, and political issues. Ethical challenges, social challenges, political implementation. This GDPR in Europe, already we have discussed this several times, and describes the interplay between hardware, operating system, and networking platforms. You have to write about hardware platforms, operating system, and network platforms. That's it. Very simple. Next, identify and discuss the current role in hardware and software platform. Current trends in hardware and software platform. You have to write about the hardware trends, software trends, and integration challenges in that. Then components and functionalities of the business intelligence. You have to write about the data warehouse, data marts, Hadoop's role, Hadoop's core components. See, supposing if a non-technical person or a person who is from the science background or commerce background or from the business administration background, among one question, I will try to keep that as a normal one and another technical one, so that you will be in a position to answer. The technical person who is having the technical expertise, they can answer these type of questions like data warehouse and all. It's easy for them. One question supposing if you are from the other background, I will ask such a type of question. Okay. The next one, discuss the role of encryption in enhancing the security and trustworthiness in a blockchain technology. So basics of encryption, blockchain technology, encryption in a blockchain. Enhance the trust security, public and private keys. Then discuss the importance of emergence of e-commerce trends such as social shopping, mobile optimization, localized experience. This one is very easy for you. Anybody can answer about the social shopping, whatever you are doing in the normal day-to-day life, like the Amazon customer reviews and other things. All of us, we know this. Mobile optimization. So the mobile should be responsive enough for us to see that. So it should be helping us to navigate. It should be responsive. What are the localized experiences? And integrated payment solution. You need to have all the PayPal solutions. You need to have the UPI solutions, everything you need for the integrated payment solutions, for the credit card as well as the debit card options, everything we need to give for the payment purpose, so that it will be easy for them to make the payment. Then what is real-time customer support? Then user-generated content. User-generated content. So out of the 6, you can write 5. Then 14th one, analyze the different value chains, internal, external, and virtual. Internal value chain, external value chain, virtual value chain. Then evaluate the role and group decision support system, GDSS, collaborative platforms, real-time analytics, visualization tool, scenario simulation, and documentation archive. So now I have discussed all the 15 questions I have shown you. The answers also I have given you as a tailor-made one. Easy for you. The same thing is available in the notes also, but this one is going to be something different from the notes. You can cross-check with the notes what I have given for you earlier. Notes I have given something elaborately, and for the last-minute revision, I have focused exactly to the question. So I'm just shooting the bullseye. So it is, I think it will be easy for you to navigate this. This 15 questions, I request all of you to go through, out of which you will get 10. And in that, you have to write either or. So don't study only the first 7 or 8, so that you may think that you are going to get that. So it is always better to see at least minimum 12 questions, so that here and there, so that it will be easy for you to answer all the questions, all the 5 questions. So
Thank
out of
you
this,
so much,
any question you find that very difficult, you can tell me now. If you feel that out of this 15, you find any one of the question that you are finding it difficult to answer after seeing this, so that I will explain. Shall we go to the part C one? Already the time is over. Any questions regarding this? Any questions?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we'll go to the part C. Part C total, you see, I have given 1A, B and 2A and 2B, out of which you will get 1. Now, examine the differences between virus, worms, Trojan horses, and spyware, and discuss the role of hackers in the context of this malicious software. Use real-world examples to illustrate the impact of each type of malicious software on individual users and organization. And the second question is about detail the different platforms of computer-related malfeasance, including unauthorized access, cyber stalking, identity theft, financial fraud, data theft, and malware distribution. Discuss the implication of these patterns for cybersecurity and provide real-world examples of each pattern. So it is very simple. What is virus? Attached to program, self-replicate, file corruption, system damage. Example, worms, independent replication, network exploitation, impact bandwidth consumption, vulnerability exploitation. Like this, for Trojan horses, spywares, role of hackers I have given, collective implication. Together, what will happen? Then 1B, computer-related malfeasance pattern. So unauthorized access, illegal entry into the computer system. Cyber stalking, persistent online harassment. Identity theft, fraudulent impersonation using stolen data. Financial fraud, manipulation of online transaction. Data theft, stealing proprietary confidential information. Malware distribution, spread of harmful software. And cyber security implications, necessity for advanced security protocols, important for user education and awareness, need for continuous monitoring and thing. So I request you to see this 1A and B thoroughly. This one is very, very important question. This 1A and B is very, very important. I request all the learners to read this properly. This question is very, very important. Now moving forward, you have 2A. Discuss the fundamental concepts of machine learning and its application. Highlight the challenges faced in implementing ML models. Types of machine learning, you have 3: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Whether you have label, model, training and testing, applications, image, recommendation, predictive analysis, NLP, challenges, overfitting, data quality, explainability, and conclusion. Then compare and contrast the functionality and benefits of cloud databases and blockchain technology. Discuss how each contributes of data management and security in modern IT infrastructure and provide examples of their use cases. You have cloud database functionality and benefits, blockchain technology functionality and benefits, data management contributions, and security contributions, use cases, and blockchain, and a conclusion for this. So this is the end of LMR. Any doubt in part C?
No, sir.
Yeah, this question is important. This one is very, very important. So we have seen 2 questions out of this in 1A and 1B, 2A and 2B. Any doubts?
So in
Revision
part
is
C,
over.
sir,
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah.
so in part C, 2 parts will be there.
Yeah. No. So only 1A, 1B only. You have to answer both. You will have
Okay.
1A, 1B only. I have given 2 questions for you. For revision, I have given 2 questions.
Okay, sir.
Out of which this question is very, very important. This one. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Shall we conclude? Any doubts you can ask now? Otherwise, we can conclude. I have given everything to you. You need to go through the entire LMR, last minute revision for attending your exams. I made it very simple. Everything is tailor-made for you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, how do
Really.
you feel whether it is easy?
Very helpful, sir.
Yeah, okay. Right. Very good. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I
Thank
will
you,
wait
sir.
for, I will wait
Thank
for
you so
1
much,
minute.
sir.
Yeah, I will wait for 1 minute. Anybody wants to ask any question within that 1 minute, you can ask. Otherwise, I will stop the share and I will conclude this session.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Anish.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Akshay.
Clear explanation, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Tilagan.
It was really helpful, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Vijay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Selvaraj.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Divya.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mahalashmi.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gokul.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Divi. Salman.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Neha.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Abhinav.
Sir,
Priya. Somebody is asking some question. Yes.
the whether we'll have to write and scan and download, or whether it's completely typing, we'll get in the last minute.
They will send through email. So you need to check with that. So if they have mentioned for you to type, you have to type. Otherwise, you have to write and you have to scan.
Already it is
upload.
writing for information management.
They have shown already in writing. So,
Yes.
But I have requested for typing. Let us see.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir. So that was already clear that information management will be a typing exam. No,
Pardon?
no, sorry, writing exam only, no typing.
Writing. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Let us see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Samson. Thank you, Priya.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Shan. I'm just concluding this. Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the best for your exams. Write well. Bye.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.